Alternative assets encompass assets other than cash, stocks, and bonds. They're designed to boost your portfolio by offering additional diversification and, in many cases, a hedge against inflation. Alternative assets tend to show a low correlation with traditional assets and are subject to different government regulations. Some experts recommend that portfolios have a 10 to 25% allocation in alternative assets. Alternative assets fall into two categories: tangible assets and financial assets. Alternative tangible assets include precious metals, real estate, artwork, wine, antiques, postage stamps, classic cars, baseball cards, agricultural products, livestock, fossil fuels, and industrial metals. Alternative financial assets include cryptocurrency, insurance policies, and foreign currency. Self-directed retirement accounts allow a variety of alternative assets to be kept in the account as means of portfolio diversification. These accounts include the traditional IRA, Roth IRA, Simplified Employee Pension, SEP IRA, and Solo 401k. However, some alternative assets are prohibited from being included in self-directed accounts. Fortunately, a self-directed IRA does permit someone to own precious metals like gold and silver in the form of coins and bars. With a self-directed precious metals IRA, a custodian purchases gold and silver on the account holder's behalf. The account holder decides on the amount and selects the precious metals that the custodian buys. The purchased gold and silver are then held in an IRS-approved depository. Precious metals such as gold and silver are physically scarce, chemically unique, and useful for industrial applications. For these reasons, they're an excellent long-term store of wealth. Learn what precious metals can bring to the retirement table when added to your wealth portfolio through a self-directed precious metals IRA. Call U.S. Money Reserve today for a one-on-one consultation. Click the link in the description to request your free Precious Metals IRA information kit. It's full of everything you need to know about getting started on your self-directed Precious Metals IRA today.